Hey, it's Kelsey again. I wanted to do a little Jing on my teacher interview, just a really quick one to go over what we talked about. Um, she really believed that one of the most important characteristics was just being patient and really understanding because the 5-year-olds, it's pretty, science is pretty abstract to 5-year-olds, so you really have to be patient and understand that the students need time to understand what's going on. And it really needs to be brought down to a grade appropriate, very developmentally appropriate context. I really agreed with her about that. I thought that was an excellent point because, what good are you going to be doing teaching 7th grade material and 7th grade language to, a 4th grader? It's just not going to work. She really believed in the cross-curricular aspect of teaching. She definitely implemented several different ways to incorporate science in because, as we all know, science is not the main concern of our students today. So really it would just be attached to any other lesson. Like, for me, I really respond to anything that's incorporated with language arts. And Mrs. Herman did believe that as well, so we had that in common. She has an excellent handle on classroom management. She really knows how to get exactly what she wants. She gives a lot of respect to the children, but she demands a lot of respect in return. So that, to me, is really a great tool. She gives them a lot of freedom, but if they disrespectful to her, or they aren't respectful of the rules, she isn't exactly happy about that. So they know not to cross that line with her. Ms. Herman had 2 students with special needs in her class, and she handled it really well. It's called an enhanced program. There's so many different ways to work with students like that, but she really was able to get down to their level, because I also forgot to mention she had taught the special day preschool for a couple years before she actually merged into kindergarten. So she's really good with differing abilities. So she's able to get done on their level, explain what they need. She also had an aide in her room that was really helpful. So it's really just about, the individual, but also the classroom as a community too. She really believed in it's very similar to the lesson plan structure that we've been following at University of Laverne. She definitely, starts with kind of an interest-piquing introduction. The other day she brought out her iPad and showed them pictures of an aircraft carrier that someone was on, and they were talking about, planes, and it was just a really interesting lesson. I really liked how she incorporated the technology. And lastly, she used a specific type of assessment that the district requires, but I know that she would sit at a table and then call one student over at a time. She would definitely tune out the rest of the class at this point, and it would just be her and the student talking about, math and English and, the types of things, and it would be one-on-one questions, nothing, it would just kind of just see where they were, and it wasn't intimidating. They liked having alone time with the teacher, so I thought that was pretty cool. Other than that, it was pretty interesting, so if you want to know more, I will tell you, but thanks.